will do dinner afterwards. I would like to welcome Mr. Manny Panganiban, our board chairman, to introduce the officers and the induction of officers.
Sorry.
So, hi, good evening, everybody. I'd like to first off thank everybody that's here. It's truly appreciated that you guys are able to support this function that my organization is doing. And also, I would like to give a very special thanks to the representatives of the city of Algona. They're basically seated at table number 18. So we actually have the Chief of Police of Algona, Chief James Schrimsher. He's I didn't butcher that one. And also the City of Algona Police Department Sergeant Hector Aponte. Didn't butcher that. And the mayor is somebody did it. Yeah, the mayor of Algona, ladies and gentlemen, he actually took position after David Hill, because the old mayor was David Hill, and he basically had his retirement party last November. So he's basically new. You guys have to be nice to him. Don't give him so much stress. Okay, so now I would like to call upon the police chief and Sergeant Aponte to come up front, please. I would like for them to introduce themselves and what they actually do for our community, our city. Just give a big background, then we'll call on the elected officials.
And I'll be your MC for the night. And with my beautiful assistant, the president of FACPS, Tess Virio. We will start with the invocation and then we'll transition over to the induction of officers before dinner. Could you please stand up for the invocation? Dear God, we thank you for giving us the chance to be together this ending of old year and to welcome the new year. We thank you for your generosity and love the previous year and for all the blessings you've bestowed on us all these years. This new year, we may continue to be a blessing to others just as you have blessed us. May we mend the errors of our ways and be a light in the dark of the world. Grant us the divine wisdom to discern what traits we should avoid this coming new year. May we know what traits to retain and hone. Bestow upon us your spirit that we may serve you through other people. May you grant that this year will be a year of prosperity and love for all men. Bless the hands that prepared our foods. Bless each and every one of these people present here and people that are not able to be with us tonight. Amen. Amen.
Innovation or purpose of evasion. So